Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Odyssey rear view mirror, easy method. Start by parking safely, disconnecting the negative battery terminal, and wearing safety glasses. Next, fold the mirror down to reveal the mount and locate the 10 mm bolt or plastic release tab. Use a trim tool to gently pry off the trim cover, then remove the bolt and slide the mirror free from the. Begin by carefully prying the windshield trim away to expose the mirror mount, working slowly to protect clips and glass. Support the mirror with one hand while you use a 10 mm socket to loosen the bolt so the mirror does not fall. After loosening, slide the mirror toward the windshield or forward to clear the mount, then disconnect any wiring harness by pressing the tab and pulling straight out. When reinstalling, first connect any electrical harness so features like auto-dimming work properly. Position the mirror on the stud, hand thread the 10 mm bolt to ensure correct alignment, then tighten snugly without over-torquing. Reinstall the trim by pressing clips into place, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and test mirror functions and stability by adjusting position and confirming no wobble.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.